Now 13th chapter, probability. First formula, P of E. P of E means probability of an event E equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of all possible outcomes. Second one, P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. Third one, the probability of sure or certain event is 1. The probability of impossible event is 0. The probability is between 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. In this 1 to 6 there na compulsory one question will come, especially in bit paper, very important one this one. Next, seventh one, deck of cards. See, cards we know. So in cards, a deck of cards consists 52 cards. These are divided into 4 suits. So each suit contains 13 cards. They are As, King, Queen, Jack, numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 4 suit there na, 4 suit, first suit equal to first one black spades. This is the symbol of black spades. In that also this all which one are there, all will be there, 13 cards, As, King, Queen, Jack, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second one red heart symbol cards. Here this cards also 13 cards. Next, red diamonds also here same 8 A K Q J, this numbers 2 to 10. Next, black clubs, this one also same, this all will be there same. So in this black cards 26 are there, this red cards also 26 are there. So this king, queen and jacks are called face cards, means here these 3 cards are called face cards. In this, how many red face cards are there? See, here red face cards 6, black face cards also 6. Total face cards how many are there? So here total each suit 3 cards have, means total 4 3 is 12 cards are there. Remember this, very important. Next, 8th one, see, when a coin is tossed once, possible outcomes are head denoted by H and tail denoted by T. And 9th, when we toss 2 coins, possible outcomes are coin 1, coin 2. See here 2 heads, 2 tails, and head tail. Next, 10th one, when we toss 3 coins, possible outcomes are, see here 4 heads, 4 tails. Here 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails. Here 1 head, tail, head to tail. This is the easy way of remembering this one. So they will question how they will ask, when we'll toss 2 coins, what is the probability of getting 2 heads? 2 heads means here see first one ear head there, ear tail. Remaining all head tail there, tail head there, tail there. So 2 heads here, 1 only there. So favorable outcomes equal to 1. Total number of outcomes means what here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of outcomes 4. Here also total number of outcomes how many are there? See 8 are there. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next see 11th one, when we throw a die once, possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that see this 4 means 6 outcomes are there. In that, odd numbers 1 3 5, even numbers are 2 4 6, prime numbers are 2 3 5, composite numbers are 4 6, square numbers are 1 and 4, even prime is 2, between 2 and 5 are 3 comma 4. Anyone they will ask, we have to know the this about this all numbers, then you will get very easily. For example, what is the probability of getting hard number? Hard number means here how many are there? See, favorable outcomes 1 2 3, so favorable outcomes 3 and total number of outcomes 6. So 3 by 6, 3 by 6, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 1 by 2 will get the answer. In this, anyone they will ask. Next, 12th one, see. When we rolled at the same time, possible outcomes are, here we have to roll two dice. Two dice we have to roll. Two dice means, see, these are the possible outcomes. See, here we have to take in here 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, again 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, this and so on, this all. So how they will frame the questions, see once. When we rolled a 2 dice, so what is the probability of getting sum of the two numbers is 5, they will ask. 5 means here which to add means you have to get the 5, that we have to take. See here 1 plus 4 5, so this 1 comma 4 we have to take. Here 2 comma 3 also 5 will come, we have to take this one also. And next, see here 3 comma 2 will come, and here 4 comma 1 will come. So here not come, so which one? 4 plus 1 5 na. So here add means top ways which numbers will come, that we have to add means we have to get the 5, that are this 4 there. So favorable outcomes are 4. Total number of outcomes, this total how many are there? 36 are there. 4 by 36. Other words, they will ask the sum of the numbers, if add means we have to get the 7. 7 means 7 where 2 plus 5. Next, where we will get 3 plus 4. This model they will ask. So this also very important one.